Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure tenant screening with TransUnion SmartMove, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the TransUnion SmartMove website. Create an account if you don't have one, or log in if you already do. Once logged in, select the tenant screening option from the main dashboard. You will now see a brief overview of tenant screening services. Click on Get Started to initiate the tenant screening process. Next, you'll need to enter the prospective tenant's information. Fill in the tenant's name, email address, and phone number. Make sure to enter the rental property address accurately. Now, you'll select the type of report you want to run. TransUnion SmartMove offers various options, including background checks and credit reports. Choose the reports that suit your needs. After selecting the reports, review the pricing details provided. Once you're comfortable with the cost, click on Continue. The next screen will prompt you to confirm the tenant's information. Double-check for any errors before proceeding. After verification, you'll be directed to the payment page. Enter your payment information and confirm your purchase. Once the payment is processed, an email will be sent to the tenant. Inform them that they will receive instructions to complete their part of the screening. Wait for the tenant to complete their application. You will receive a notification once the tenant submits the necessary information. After you receive the tenant's report, review the details provided carefully. Assess the credit history, background check, and any additional reports you ordered. Based on the reports, make an informed decision regarding the tenant application. If you have any questions or need assistance during the process, refer to the help section. Congratulations, you now know how to configure tenant screening with TransUnion SmartMove. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.